This is Faith. As an American, I've been in China for 6 years. I thought I was already an old China hand. Yet to my surprise, there's another place that I don't know about. 3 days ago, I happened to hear the most beautiful sounds coming from the mountains on my phone. So cute! So I decided to visit the mysterious Daliang Shan to find the Niu Niu chorus. It is an unknown land where mountains and waters that I've never seen can be found. The hospitable local people share their happiness through delicacies and spirits and enjoy their life through music and dance. Amazed by the culture and scenes, I felt like I had to come to a secret place of freedom and passion. Somehow, I seemed to get lost on a local train. On this train, the passengers were so unique, and there were a lot of interesting smells. And the train itself had a very strange name, the slow train. While everyone knows China is proud of its world-leading high-speed railway trains, why did we keep such a slow train?
这个绿皮火车，我们慢的不是虚度，是慢在为他们服务的这个过程上去，它站站都要为山区的小站停下来。
This slow-speed green train, with a speed of 40 kilometers an hour, has a total route length of 376 kilometers and 26 stations along the way. The lowest price for the ticket is 2 yuan, which has never changed over the past 30 years. While I walked through the compartments, I could see farmers with fresh vegetables and fruits to sell, ethnic people with livestock like chicken, ducks, pigs, and sheep. It's like I was stepping into a bustling village. As this slow train has operated for almost half a century, it passed through countless mountain valleys. As a school bus for children to study along the route, the ambulance in which patients go out to see their doctors, and a train for local people to shake off poverty. In a tender way, it connects the mountain villages to the outside world. With the booming train whistle, I seem to see that the songs of Niu Niu have wings and fly over the mountains. I have this feeling that I am about to find them soon.
Hey, 你好，请问一下，妞妞在哪？
在家里。
在你的家里吗？
Hold on a second. Did he just say Niu Niu? We're in his house?
I said, where is Niu Niu? Not Niu cow. 妞妞在哪？妞妞在哪？
After a series of mistakes, I still didn't find Niu Niu. Right as I was about to give up, the familiar songs came across my ears.
I found Niu Niu! Hello!
There are 40 members in the Niu Niu chorus, and most of them are left behind children. With the absence of parents, these little girls have taken over the agricultural work at an early age. They were supposed to have their whole life being stuck in the mountains. Luckily, music has changed their life.
音乐给他们带来的不仅给他们快乐，然后也会改变他们的一些性格啊，或者是一些人生目标、理想之类的，打开他们自己的内心世界，通过这个音乐走到外面的世界。
It is music that makes them more confident, more brave, and more powerful. it makes them be known and loved by even more people.
So in my trip out here the last couple days, I've seen a lot of amazing things, places, people, but today hanging out with these girls, it was so special. It was beautiful. They sang, I taught them songs, they taught me songs. I'm never gonna forget it. And with the addition of the fast train to this area, it's gonna revolutionize lives for people out here. These girls are gonna have the opportunity to easily go anywhere. They can explore, they can see other cultures, just like I have. So over here when we were in the field singing and they were singing to me with their teacher, I almost cried because I just felt so much overwhelming feelings of how I've gone to so many places and experienced so many things, and now these girls with this fast train are gonna have the ability to go out and share their culture and learn new ones. So it was just a little overwhelming for me. It was absolutely beautiful, so beautiful.
Niu Niu's sound delivered their dreams to people, and the high-speed railway train draws Daliang Mountain closer to the world. On December 26, 2022, the new 915-kilometer Chengdu-Kunming Railway is officially open for traffic. The Green Railway train, at a speed of 160 kilometers an hour, passes the rivers and mountains, shortening the travel time between Xichang and Chengdu from 6 hours to 3. Since then, representing China's speed, the Fuxing bullet train, along with the slow train that preserves the warmth of humanity, will carry the travelers far away and set foot on this precious land with the expectations of people from Daliang Mountain. It will lead them to have better lives. The trains keep moving. In between the fast and slow trains, the warmth and speed make the rapidly developing China more alive.
我的梦想是成为一名导师。我的梦想是想成为宇航员。